Banana. Get ready to get blasted!
Duel Disc, go! Duel Gazer, let's roll!
Duel!
Here I go! It's my turn! I'm setting a monster! With that, I end my turn!
All aboard! It's my turn! I draw! I'll set a card! Express Train Trolley Ollie! Protect me! Time to battle! Trolley Ollie attacks! I end my turn! Come on, you're up!
My turn! I draw! Skull Crocket! Let's go! Summoning a fish, sea serpent, or aqua means I can play this! Let's go! Shark stickers! I Exceed Summon a monster! Be born! Number 17, Leviathan Dragon! I use one overlay unit to activate Leviathan Dragon's effect! Battle! Go, Leviathan Dragon! Shockstream Blast!
Stop right there! Here's my set card. I activate a trap.
With that, I end my turn.
All aboard! It's my turn. I draw! Super Express Bullet Train's effect activates from my hand. Speed on in, Super Express Bullet Train! I'll set a card. Battle! Bullet Train! Full throttle! I end my turn. Bring it on.
Here I go. It's my turn. I draw. I'm setting a monster. With that, I end my turn.
All aboard! It's my turn. You haven't seen firepower like this before! Express Train Trolley Ollie! Protect me! Time to battle! Take this! Boom! I end my turn. Bring it on.
Here I go. It's my turn. I draw. I'm setting a monster. With that, I end my turn.
All aboard! It's my turn. I draw. Here comes Night Express Night. Make way for the train that'll derail your chance to win. Chug on in! Super Dreadnought Rail Cannon Gustav Max! Gustav Max's effect activates! Once per turn, I can use an overlay unit to deal you damage. Cataclysmic Cannon Couplooey!
That's the best you got?
Time to battle! Trolley Ollie attacks! Go! I attack you directly!
Losing never feels good.